Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a slow spin. Now a slow spin, we're going to use a lady spin as an example, can be done off any kind of spin. Now a normal lady spin would go back, prepare, spin, catch, return and back. The whole point of a slow spin is we're releasing the lady at a slower speed, so we're specifically saying to the lady, this is the speed I want you to go round, and we're picking the speed so that she takes 2 counts to go round instead of 1. So it ends up looking like this. It goes 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now when you slow the spin down, you can do more with it, you can style it, and the guy could be doing things while the lady's going round, or he could be going round as well. I'm going to leave that up to you. There's loads of other videos we've done where we've talked about things like that, so you can join those pieces together for yourself. So if I come round to this side, and we'll talk it through. So we go semicircle back. We do a prepare like a standard lady spin. Link in the description below if you've never done lady spin. We're going to take the hand over to the left, but instead of it being a quick 6-inch flick to the left, what we're going to do is we're going to do a longer travel, remembering to go around the lady. So imagine the lady's in the middle of a circle, the hand's got to go around the edge of the circle, because if we went in a straight line, we'd be pulling the lady off her centre. So we're going around the lady, and because we've got a longer travel, we can limit the speed. So we can start her off but not let any acceleration happen, so we can limit the speed so it's nice and slow, 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 release, and the result is the lady takes more time to go round, catch, return and back. So it's almost like you start to lead a spin and then you put the brakes on gently just so you don't go too quick. Main reason for doing this, musicality. Okay, so if you've got something like a long extended double note, then if you can lead the lady's spin onto that double note so she takes that entire note to go round, musically it makes sense, it feels nice. If you do this for no apparent reason when you're dancing, then generally it will feel like you did it for no apparent reason. So we go back. 1, preparation. 2, we're leading the spin but we're slowing it down. 3, the lady's going round for 4, and then we're catching on 5. So that's 1 count more than usual. Return is 6 and back 7. Let's try it. Here we go. 5, a 6, a slow spin. We go a back, prepare, take your time, round, catch, return and back. And remember fellas, you can go round slow too, or you can be doing stuff on the spot to jazz it up. One thing you don't want to do as a guy is lead the lady to do a spin, she takes her time and you just go waiting. Yeah, you want to be at least posing, or better still, doing some movement of your own while you're waiting. Yeah, so you don't end up looking like one of you's dancing, one of you isn't. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end for something nice to dance to, and as always, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.